Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change or modify the animation delay length in your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate over to whatever text or media has the animation effect. And then on the right above timing near the top versus start, you can adjust the duration by clicking the up arrow or down arrow, or you can just delete this and type it in. This is in seconds, by the way, and then that's all you have to do. You can select preview to see how that looks, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.